The TOS-1 is capable of firing thermobaric ammunition, which ignites the oxygen in the air using an aerosol cloud of flammable substance ignited by a specialized charge. This ignition creates a fireball that generates a high-pressure zone at the epicenter of the explosion. The resulting shockwave is powerful and covers a vast area, making the TOS-1 monstrously effective for striking extensive targets. It is considerably used in Ukraine by the Russians and also by the Ukrainians, who have captured 3 of them and 4 of its reloaders, the TZMT, according to the latest OSINT information. Equipped with armor, the TOS-1 provides protection against small arms fire and artillery shell fragments. Despite its massive weight of 46,500 kilograms, the TOS-1 is not lacking in mobility. With a maximum road speed of 60 kilometers per hour, this heavy flamethrower system can rapidly deploy to strategic locations on the battlefield, ensuring quick response times to emerging threats and changing tactical situations. In terms of operational range, the TOS-1 has a reach of 550 kilometers. As mentioned earlier, the TOS-1 features a missile launcher equipped with 24 tubes capable of firing 220mm rockets. These rockets are designed to carry a deadly payload of thermobaric and incendiary explosives, making the TOS-1 a formidable weapon for engaging and neutralizing enemy forces and fortified positions. Additionally, the TOS-1 is equipped with a range of accessories. A fire control system, ballistic computer, and laser rangefinder work together to ensure precise targeting. Furthermore, the inclusion of a nuclear, biological, and chemical (NBC) protection system ensures crew safety when operating in hazardous environments. Night vision capabilities are also provided for the driver. The TOS-1 is operated by a 3-person crew, consisting of a driver, gunner, and commander. Its dimensions are as follows: a length of 7.24 meters, a width of 3.58 meters, and a height of 3.07 meters. The integration of the new navigation system is expected to bring several essential advantages, including improved targeting accuracy, simplified deployment procedures, and increased operational efficiency. By automating geodetic and specialized tasks, TOS-1 operators can focus more on strategic decision-making, making the weapon system more versatile and adaptable to different battlefield situations. The Soln-Sepik weapon system has emerged as a critical element of the Russian military's operations in Ukraine, predominantly employed to launch a concentrated assault on Ukrainian forces. This is one of the reasons why US-based military experts express concerns regarding the system's potential to cause significant damage on the battlefield when deployed against Ukraine. David Hambling, a US-based defense expert, suggests that the best way to defeat this weapon system is to swiftly detect their whereabouts and take out the launchers before they get into action. Hambling added that the Russian Soln-Sepik heavy flamethrower weapons are very powerful and crucial in the Russian military. The expert also raised apprehensions about the extent of damage that this weapon system could inflict on Ukrainian infrastructure. Furthermore, The Russian Defense Ministry also noted that the TOS-1A has a devastating impact, including the destruction of infrastructure and the potential for significant harm to internal organs and flash burns, ultimately leading to the death of those exposed. The TOS-1 or TOS-1A is a multiple rocket launcher with either 30 or 24 barrels equipped with thermobaric warheads. It was created to target troops and forces in fortified positions, lightly armored vehicles, and transports in open areas. Lt. Col. J.S. Sodhi, RETD, an ex-Indian Army officer, explained that a thermobaric MLRS bomb utilizes oxygen from the surrounding atmosphere to produce an extremely high-temperature explosion, thus creating a kind of vacuum. Sodhi told the Eurasian Times that this weapon is very dangerous, because the initial explosive charge detonates upon impact with the target, causing the fuel container to disperse with the surrounding oxygen and destroying everything in its vicinity. These blast waves of a thermobaric weapon last longer than those of a conventional explosive, he added. The goal of these weapons is specifically to cause damage to buildings, infrastructure, and the enemy forces' personnel. The USSR and Russian military utilized the TOS-1A weapon in conflicts such as Afghanistan, Chechnya, and, more recently, in Ukraine since the beginning of the all-out war in February 2022. Additionally, the U.S. also used thermobaric weapons in the 1960s. Though the United Nations Convention bans such bombs on certain conventional weapons, 4 countries, namely the USA, Russia, China, and the United Kingdom, possess such bombs, the retired Indian Army officer highlighted.